This is called Zoom Face Lemongrass Sugar Facial Scrub. Now I have used this. I have used this for a day. And to be honest, just scrub it. I gotta with my hands. Very soft. Very soft. You put it on your face and you circular on your face and it makes your skin softer. Natural ingredients. I like that. This was $11. Yeah, $11. Indigo Wild, Kansas City, Missouri. Ingredients. Surcos, water, salmon nandiza. I don't know what that means. Seed oil, coconut oil, olive oil. All the good oils for your skin. So yeah, this is good. They have it in charcoal too. And it smells like really not much of a smell. It smells like a little bit of lemon. But do not put this in your eyes. Wash water, 15 minutes. Yeah. So that's Zoom Face. I've never heard of it. I figured I'd try it, and I do recommend this product if you are very picky with your skin condition and skin care. It doesn't over dry your face. You can use it on your hands too. That's the end of the review.